Okay, so in this video we're going to explain how to take inverse derivatives. So if I have a function like f of x equals x squared, just to review, to take the inverse of this function, you replace the y's and the x's. So that means that you would have x equals y squared. And so solving for y, you just take the square root of both sides. So y equals the square root of x. And that is the inverse.
Which we can say is like g of x or something.
Yeah, we can call it g of x. It doesn't matter. Let's say that g of x equals the square root of x. So the purpose of finding inverse derivatives is you can use a formula to find the derivative of this guy if you only have this function right here. If you know that it's an inverse, you can find it that way. So the formula for that is g prime of x equals 1 over f prime of y.
You're also going to want to know like the coordinates for one of them, right?
Yeah. So let's say that f of 2 equals 10, and they want you to find g prime of 10. So the y, okay, so this basically is saying that g of 10 equals 2, because if they're inverses, you switch the y's and the x's. So you're going to put, let me just erase.
You can just shrink them with a hand.
Oh, that's handy. Okay. So let's just get rid of this guy. So we're going to use this up here. And
You have to use the laser for them to see. When you say this, they won't know. You know what I'm saying? Because
yeah,
I
sure.
can see your finger. They can't really see your finger.
Okay, so we're going to use this thing right here. Is that better?
That's a lot better.
Okay. So if they want you to find g prime of 10, then g prime of 10 equals 1 over f prime of 2, using this 2 right here, because this is the y value for g of x, right? Okay, so let's get into an example of this down here. Okay, it says, when g is the inverse of f of x equals x cubed plus 3x minus 2, find the value of g prime of 2. Hint, f of 2 equals 12.
No, that's g prime of 12, dude.
So,
G prime of 12, right? Not 2.
Did I say g prime of 2?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Horrible mistake. Oh my god.
Okay, so we have our formula. So g prime of x equals 1 over f prime of y.
And that y, what was it? Oh, it's the x value.
So,
oh wait, this y is the x value of.
So this guy right here needs to be inverted. So g of 12 equals 2. So the x that's in here is going to be 12, and the y that's in here is going to be 2. So let's take the derivative of this x. So f prime of x equals 3x squared plus 3.
So basically it's like the g of x is the y right there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
G
So
of
it's
x.
f prime of g of x, technically.
Where's the laser? Is this a laser? Oh
Yep.
yeah, so the g of x right here. This x is the g of x is the y here.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
G of x is the y. Okay.
So now we use this. So g prime of 12 equals 1 over f prime of 2. And if you didn't hear, we're using this as our y value because g prime of x equals y.
No, it's just g of x equals y.
Or, yeah, sorry, g of x equals y. So,
And the x is that x because like the inverse just switches the x and y value.
yeah. So let's plug in 2 into here. So f prime of 2 equals, let's see, 3 times 2 squared plus 3. So that simplifies to 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 5, or plus 3 is 15. So f prime of 2 equals 15. So g prime of 12
Oh, you already took the derivative.
equals 1 over 15, and that is answer choice number 6. And that is how you do inverse derivatives.
Wait, and that's like, oh yeah, you already took the derivative right here. That's right. Oh, okay, I can see that. Cool.
Cool.